What do they smell like? The bacon dog treats? Oh, Lord.
Let me see if we have any.
No. You're not eating a dog treat.
I know.
There's bread and butter. Not the greatest.
That's exactly what it smells like.
Oh God, no it doesn't. That is disgusting. Don't do that. I'm trying to eat. Make me puke. You gonna have some more of your what these things are? Cinnamon twist? Mmm. I saved the last flaky one for you.
Oh wow, thanks. Oh,
Might be able to dip it in the
the fudge.
yeah. There we go.
Oh. Try those little
Look at
crumbs.
this licorice.
Try those little crumbs
How am I gonna do that?
with that.
It's too flaky. Not pretty good enough. There we go. Mmm. That's good. Making a mess. There's a hole in the licorice. Come. Not bad. Oh, very good. I don't think you're supposed to eat all these snacks in one sitting.
You ready to finish these?
Not since you made me smell the dog food.
I think it tastes exactly like it.
Those pizza ones are spicy. Is that trash? Ooh, that's spicy.
It's not that spicy.
Well, it's not, I don't know why. No more egg flavored chips for today.
Yeah, for never.
Licorice. Little fruit roll, not bad. I had spiciness in my mouth and now it's sour. What a weird flavor combination.
We're eating healthy starting tomorrow.
Day of fasting. You know, I think these are the same exact things. They look very similar. Really sour. Start getting the food sweats.
That's a thing. Never gotten that before.